There you go. Look at that. It's bolt action. Just enough to release it. Yep. Are you good? You're good. Trust that you're going to clear it. Just trust that you're going to clear it. Oh, sure. That was a really unique one.